Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert histogram chart in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we have to open an Microsoft file. Which file? Microsoft Word file. So here I will open before. So here the insert options, then insert options has appeared. Charts have what? Histogram, what we want. So click here and the histogram chart has been revealed. And okay, when you okay, and the information has been revealed with the by default value. This value by default value which has been revealed, so we can change or we can modify or we can copy paste these sections, and according to the information the chart has been revealed, if you want to change the design from here we can change easily. Also the in this painting sign we can change it easily, see, this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.